Hey guys, Apurba this side. Welcome to IncomeEngine review. So as you can see, we are here at the dashboard. So in a nutshell, IncomeEngine is a brand new solution that allows you to launch your own sales engine, and you can sell any kind of product in any niche. So in this software, you will get 3 done for you interactive sales engine plus 15 premium templates that you can use for your own product, some done for you products that you can easily customizing and sell it at your own. Next is you will get some free SSL certificates. So this will very important for any kind of sales engine websites. Okay, you can get built-in hosting, so you don't need to buy any kind of hosting. You can add autoresponders so that you can get the leads from your sales engine. Okay, and you will get some email swipes. Okay, and you will get inbuilt payment gateway so that you don't need to add any kind of extra gateways. Okay, so in this video we are going to see step-by-step demo of IncomeEngine and reveal my exclusive bonuses that I put together for you, and discuss about some pros and cons that I find using this software. Okay, so let's start with the demo first. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of IncomeEngine. Okay, so you will, here you can see your total orders. You will get some information about total orders this month, total orders this week, and today's order. And you will get some sales engine, so you will get some information like how many sales you generate total, how many revenue you generate in total. There are some pending orders. If you have some shipped orders that you can see here, and these are the delivered orders information about here. Okay, here you get orders statistics. Okay, so this is the main dashboard. So now if you want to add your own product here, so you need to go to sales engine and create your own sales engine. Okay, so you will get some done for you products. Here you can see you will get some done for you products where you can just need to customize it, and you can add your own product here. So if you want to create your own sales engine from scratch, you need to click on create sales engine, and I'll show you how to create add your product. Okay, so here you can see some templates as you get. Okay, so you need to select one or you can preview it. So I just select this template, and here you can see this is the product type. So you will get some different product types here: physical product, digital product, affiliate product, software license, webinar offer, and others offer also. I'll put a physical product here. So my product name is it is a dog food, so I just copy this one name. This is the product name. Okay, here you can see the product description, so I just copy this description and put it here. So you can customize it, as you can see, bold, italic, underline, as you want. You can do it. Okay, so here you can see you just need to add some product image. Okay, so I just add image. You can add as many image as you want, so I just add 5 image here. Okay, so next is price. So I just need to type the price, and this is a discount price. So this is discount price is $57. Here you can see you can add a video link. So any kind of review video link you can add on your sales page. So I just add this one, and here you can see shipping fee, so you can add shipping fees here. I just add $10 of shipping fees. This is the delivery duration, so you can put the duration time as you want. Next is upsell. So if you if you want to sell any digital products, so you can add sell upsells here. So if you select this yes button, so you need to add your upsells product here. So these are the upsells product which you can add separately in this sales engine. Okay, so in this case I just select no, and here you can see you can add time countdown. So I just select yes and put some time here. Okay, next is add a pop-up message. So you can add pop-up message as you want. So this pop-up message will give some extra discount, or you can add any form. Okay, so here you can see you will you will get extra $3 discount if you take it right now. Okay, so you can add any kind of message here. The next is payment gateway. So you can select any kind of payment gateway. You will get two options here. So you will add PayPal, or you can add Stripe. Okay, next is permalink. So here is the permalink. This is the permalink. This is the link of your sales page. Okay, after that you need to select on create sales page. So your sales page will be ready. So as you can see, this is the product name is already added. So this product is not published. So if you want to publish this product, you need to go to this edit template section. Okay, so you can further edit this template again. Okay, I will show you how you can edit it. Okay, so now you can see this is the sales page, actual sales page. This is the countdown section. This is some information. Okay, so you can edit anything you can want. Okay, so here you can see just you need to click on these buttons, these sections, and you can edit the background color. Here you can see this is the background color. You can edit it. Okay, I just put this one. Okay, sorry, change. So background color will be changed, and after that you need to change this written example. You can add any kind of image from here. You can edit the name from here. You can edit the descriptions, edit price, any kind of customizations you want, you can do it from here. Okay, okay, after when someone click on order now, they will redirect it to the next page, which is a checkout page. So you can customize the checkout page also. Here you can see you can change the name, or here you can change the font size, you can change font width, font family, submit the buttons style, you can change the button style, you can change button background color. Okay, so here you can see this is the background color. You can change it. You can change the information which you want from your customers. You can change the order overview here. Okay, next here you can see payment options. So you can add your payment options, you can edit your payment options. Okay, after that they will redirect it. After payment, they will redirect it to the thank you page or success page. So here you can see this is the success page. You can customize this also. Here you can see you can customize it as you want. Okay, you can bold it, you can just italic it, underline it, whatever you want, you can do it with it. Okay, next this is the disclaimer, privacy policy, and contact us option. Yeah, this is the options you can customize from the setting section. I will go through it also. Okay, next is launch. So after customize all the three page, you need to click on this launch button to launch your sales page, sales engine. Okay, now you can track your orders from every pixel. So as you can see, you can add your own pixel here. So I will show you how you can add your own pixel. Here you can see you can add pixels on header, on footer also. Okay, next here you can see this is a link. So just you need to share this link to get your customers. Okay, and next here you can see you can delete it, you can just edit it, or you can edit it here also. Okay, next is autoresponder. So you can, there is maybe three options are there only. So you can integrate three autoresponders. As you can see, Uber, GetResponse, and Mailchimp. There is three options. Okay, next is here you can see this is the abandoned order. So these are the orders which is not sales already. Here you can see you will get all the informations here. You will get some email swipes which you can send to your customers from autoresponders and retarget them. Okay, so these are the options, and in the settings option you will get some disclaimer, privacy policy, and contact us option, which you can edit it as you want. Okay, So this is the main income engine demo, and let's get back to see the bonuses. So this is my bonus page. You will find this bonus page link in the description. My first link will be this bonus page link. Okay, so you need to click on this link and you will redirect it here. So my first bonus is ultimate multi-level marketing secret. You will get some marketing secrets from this bonus. After that, next bonus is list building expert. Okay, next one is internet marketing first start. Jumpstart your internet marketing business, learn the core concept of internet marketing business. Next one is affiliate marketing secret. So learn trade secrets in affiliate marketing and start earning money without lifting a finger. Next one is chatbot marketing mastery. Next one is, after that, building the perfect sales funnel, which is going to helping you for income engine. Okay, next one is email list building blueprint. Okay, these are the products. The all value of this product is $3,357. Okay, so after purchase this product, you will redirect it to the thank you page of Warrior Plus, and you will get this access affiliate bonus button. So you need to click on this button to get all of my bonuses, and this is the email you can mail me from for further notifications or further help if you want. So you need to click on any of these buttons and you are redirected to the sales page, and the sales page is look like this. As you can see, activate income engine traffic bots in one click and get free buyer traffic from 353 million visitors. Okay, so you need to click on these buttons, and you will get the 30 days money back guarantee also. So you can use it for 30 days, and if you didn't find it helpful, then you can return it. Okay, so let's get back to see the price of the software. The front end price will be $17. Okay, the front end price the front end price will be $17 income engine membership. Okay, so please pause the video, or you can go to the description. The first link will be the bonus page link. You can read the descriptions of the product. Okay, next one is income engine unlimited, which is $67. These are the features of this new upgrade. Okay, next one is income engine done for you, which is $97. Next one is big ticket maximizer, which is $47. After that, income engine drive, which is $67. After that, passive income masterclass, which is $47. Next one is multiple streams of income masterclass, which is $47. Income engine traffic booster, which is $67. Next one is income engine reseller license, which is $127. So there is total 8 upgrades. I didn't recommend it at all, so you can go for maximum upgrade 1 to upgrade 2. After that, I didn't find any helpful information or helpful upgrade out there. So there is total 8 upgrades. I didn't like it actually. So you can upgrade it to two or your two options. So this is the option, income engine done for you. Okay, so let's talk about some pros and cons of this software. So the pros of this software is, you didn't want to buy any kind of hosting, any kind of domain. So you will get inbuilt hosting and SSL certificate also, which is mandatory for any kind of sales engine or sales traffic. Okay, next one is, you don't need to put your recurring bills. Okay, so these are all one times. So you have to buy one time and you didn't have to pay any more. Okay, let's talk about some cons here. So the first cons is, so many upsells are there. As you can see, 8 upsells. Okay, and the main cons is, there is no cut button bucket options. Okay, so any customers, they don't put their they didn't allow to put their customers in the cart option. Okay, so this is the main cons which I found. And thank you guys. I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is income engine and how it can help you. Okay, so if you want to uh, build your own sales engine, or you can, if you want to build your website like Shopify, then this is the best software for you. Okay, so thank you guys, bye bye.